Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Chaudhry kitchen. I hope you guys are all doing well. So today my mom will be making shrimp cheesecake, and so she will guide you through the ingredients right now.
Here I have a 1 pound shrimp. I'm gonna cut into small pieces. Half cup mozzarella cheese, 1 egg, half cup all-purpose flour. Here I have a half red bell pepper cut into small pieces. Red chilli flake 1 teaspoon, mixed spice and herb 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon parsley flake, salt to taste, and black pepper I have a 1 teaspoon. Now I'm gonna cut my shrimp into small pieces.
So here we cut our shrimps into small pieces. So now we're going to be adding the rest of the ingredients.
Cheese, red pepper, all the spices, egg, and flour. We're gonna mix it well.
So my mom added another important ingredient, which is 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and she mixed it up really well, as you guys can see. So now we're gonna fry them. So here we heated our pan on medium flame, and we added 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. And so we're gonna get started now.
Oil is already heat up. Now I'm gonna put my shrimp cake inside, like this. Put some water to your hand and then make it small. One side is already cooked. Now I'm going to change the side. Be careful, Lightings we're going to change all. Now it's completely ready. We're going to remove it from the pan and we're going to make another batch. So guys, our delicious shrimp cake are ready. I'm gonna serve this with the homemade sauce, mayonnaise and chili sauce, and I mix it. That's all.
So if you guys like the recipe, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.